The table above shows the number of each type of vehicle sold at a dealership last year. If 1,000 vehicles will be sold next month, what is the best estimate based on last year's sales of the number of two-door cars that will be sold? Okay, I'm not a psychic. I don't know how many two-door cars will be sold, but I can make a decent guess based on what happened last year. So I'm going to start by asking, last year, what was the ratio of two-door cars sold to the total number of vehicles sold? That'll be a good place to start. So let's take a look. Last year, 2,250 two-door cars were sold out of a total of 9,000 vehicles. Now, if we assume that this ratio holds true for the next 1,000 vehicles sold, we'll solve for this mystery value, which represents how many two-door cars will be sold. Now, I say assume because we are making a pretty big assumption. We can't know for sure that this ratio is going to stay the same, but this is how we make a decent guess. So we have fraction equals fraction. There are a couple of different approaches we could take. We could cross multiply, for instance, but these look like some pretty big numbers to multiply. So what I'm going to do instead is look at this 9,000 and ask what was that multiplied or divided by to get 1,000? Looks like it was divided by 9. So if I do the same thing to 2,250, we should have our answer. What is 2,250 divided by 9? Using short division, 9 goes into 22 twice. That would be 18. So there are 4 left over. 9 goes into 45 5 times, no remainder. 9 goes into 0 0 times, no remainder. So that mystery value is 250. And what that means is, out of the 1,000 vehicles that we somehow know will be sold next month, 250 of them should be two-door cars. So that's our answer. We align it to the far left on the bubble sheet, ignoring the farthest left because that's just for negatives. And then in each column, we bubble in the appropriate number. And there we go.